Hello, good morning. My name is Anne. Welcome to my channel, Living My Colors. So today, I'm still in Cuba, but I'm not at the hotel right now. I am in Santa Marta. So going on a little ride, I have a friend here on his motorcycle that's bringing me around to visit. So we are at the old airport. I don't know how old it is. I'm gonna put that down below. But as you can see here from the runway, this is the very old airport, and it's that small building over there that they now use as some kind of garage to store motorcycles. And right behind me here, I'm not sure what's the name of this building exactly, but I know it's the notaries in there, and this is where Cubans will go to get married. So let's go and walk around. I want to show you around Santa Marta. I will also be going to Cardenas, so stick around if you're interested to watch that, and maybe somewhere else. I'm not sure where the day is going to take us. For sure, it is absolutely scorching hot. It is July, as I mentioned before, so I'm sweating, but thank God we're on a motorcycle, so that's very good. It's refreshing to have that fresh breeze. So let's go ahead and look around. So we saw Santa Marta. Wasn't all that much to show. It's not a very big town. Cardenas is a much bigger city, so we're heading there now. Hopefully not in the rain. I've got to say, the shade from the clouds is feeling pretty good right now. Bienvenido a Cardenas.
Está diferente. Está diferente. Discoteca.
Aquí, a discoteca. Okay. Restaurante.
De noche. Nocturno.
Sí, sí. Ah.
Hotel La Dominica.
Welcome to the center of Cardenas. I'm gonna walk around a little bit, stretch my legs, and show you this beautiful church. Hi. Beautiful architecture. Very central. Oh, my friend. I think he's running away from me.
De primera mano.
Dos. Mm. Ah. Not the cleanest of cities, but interesting architecture, and it is also the place where the Havana Club rum started. Another beautiful park here, right in front of the street, across from the church. So one thing I find that they do very nicely here in Cuba is the parks. It's always very well manicured with lots of flowers. And I get back on our way. One last look at this beautiful church.
donde
esta?
por primera vez se hizo la bandera en Cuba.
Pero no,
No la tiene,
no la tiene.
no la tiene.
Pero es la primera.
Es la primera vez donde se hizo la bandera por primera vez.
Okay, I'm gonna take this off again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. So he was telling me this is the first and only flagpole installed here in Cuba, but they don't have the flag anymore. Interesting. And oh, next to the water, absolutely beautiful. Yo voy a ir. 5 minutos. 5? Gracias. All right, beautiful. I don't know why it ends up being blocked off like this. Okay, these are metal tins, which I don't know what they are. So we're just gonna cross here in the middle. Yeah, let's do that. This here. Let's hope I'm not stepping into something I'm not supposed to. I don't know what these are. Ay, mosquitoes. It's summer, more mosquitoes in Cuba in summer, more than in the winter for sure. Ah, look how beautiful this is, so peaceful. I'm happy that the sun isn't shining too bright right now. I'm sure it would look much nicer, but it's really hot. Okay, so it looks like they're fishing for something. So my friend here, Marlon, was telling me that Cardenas is the crab city. So they get lots of crabs here. Therefore, the monument that I showed you before. So quiet. The water's barely moving. There's not much wind to be had. Oh, I saw something jump there. I don't know what that was. A fish, probably. Well, I hope you're finding this interesting because I sure do. I love Cuba. school. It says 1918 here on top, so that's an old building from 1918, and they use it as a school. See this beautiful monument here.
Banco.
The bank, yes. 1910, so this is also an old building from 1910. See what it can look like when it's taken care of. Motorcycles. I think we've seen that in the last few years with importation of the motorcycle. The cinema theater here in Cardenas. I don't know what it looks like inside. I'd be curious to check that out, but my guess is it's basic and probably old-fashioned, but it does the job. So this is a fort from back in the day. There was wars. Oh, we're good here.
Ahora cerveza, venden cerveza.
¿Aquí? ¿Se vende aquí?
Sí, pero ahora no.
Ahora no.
Nocturno.
Okay, so at night they sell beer here. No cannon. Okay, so where do we go?
Tradición de Cardenas también.
Saying the bicycle, the tradition from Cardenas. Ay, ay, ay.
Café, vamos a ver.
Sí. Gracias. ¿Por aquí? Ok. Y tú nos dices. All right. Oh, I look nice in that helmet. So we're stopped for Cuban coffee.
¿No te importa a ti, chico?
Sí.
El 12 y el 22. Dice que está bueno.
Now this is good coffee.
Dice que está bueno el café.
That was good coffee. Very good. Here? This is your house. Hello. There you go.
Parque de niños infantil.
Okay, so they're building a park for the kids here. Looks nice. Oh, no, true. Another church here.